Hey guys, this is Vagabond Spray Medicine Sunny. Nice to see you again. Today I'm gonna show you how to paint another way of mountain and some new little effect. It's also very easy and really quick. So we can just create a lot more various of works after this lesson. Okay? But there are a lot of works today, so please watch first and remember and try it. Okay? That will make you smooth. Okay, shall we? Just follow me. Okay, today I added some new colors. Pink, light pink, this, and this pink. I don't know, maybe it's called coral red or something. Yeah, this color. You just get something like this. Okay, and red, purple, and black, white, transparent. Right. Then. So planet, we're gonna use this one, the new size. This is the one we use usually, okay, and then a bit smaller than this. Okay, so from maybe yogurt or something like that. Yeah, and spatula, scraper, ruler, as usual, right? Okay, let's do it. So place a plate on at the middle, this end line, to a bit down and a bit right, and around here. Okay. Actually, I haven't made a decision. I mean, what color, where to use. So. Let's go with the flow. Right, maybe from this one. Purple and black. Okay, give some texture. And light, and shadow as usual. Okay, and this pink, purple or red, just random. Do it as you want. And cover with black. Give some stars. Then I'm gonna add some special effect, which looks like spray paint art. Oh. And this pink on both sides, and red. Okay, maybe bit white. Make gradation with these three colors. Okay, maybe it's too big for me. Yeah, like this. Perfect. And give some more shooting stars on it. Okay, and boom. Right, and give some clear. This is a new technique for mountain. Another way of making mountain. Okay, fold paper 3 times very easy. Okay, make sure the surface is very wet, and using here, just press and move up and down. Yeah, that's it. Okay, let's make mountain looking shape. Oh shit. Okay. If you give some pressure, there you have some colors or white underneath. Right. And some white for the mist. And sliding over here. This. Take a ruler. Maybe I don't like this part. It's like floating. Yeah, let's connect. Okay, perfect. Then put this on. Yeah, maybe here. Can you see this? Then white. And this pink, and this pink. I don't know how it's called. A bit red, black, and slightly purple over here for the reflection. Okay. Just like this. Then we're gonna add some colors for rocks coming later. Maybe this pink, red. Maybe a bit better to cover with this. If you can control. Purple. Then white for waterfalls like this, as we did before. If you don't know, please go back to the tutorial for waterfalls. Okay, like this. And spray white. I take the piece of paper for mountain that we use behind here. Okay, just put and slide it down. Okay, and you make water falling texture. Alright, something like this. And slide here to make it smooth. Right. So let's give some rocks over here. And before that, give some white for splash. Okay. Then some black, white. Okay, something like this. Over here too. Some black and white. Over here. Okay, perfect. And place ruler. Shit. Can you see this? Yeah. Maybe this way. Maybe around here. Okay. Then white, light pink, and deep pink. Yeah, I should have called deep pink. Red, purple, black, and some red over here. So if it takes time, surface will be dry. I mean, will get dry quickly. So if it dried, the spray clear. Okay. Okay, we're almost done. So here we're gonna add some rocks over here. From bottom of this rock. Okay, let's make a little bit curve and make it wider as we go down. Okay, like this. Now we're gonna add some stairs from here. Okay, coming this way. And maybe some rocks over here. Okay, and sign your name. Finished. So new techniques for this mountain, but it's really easy. And we've done waterfalls before. Maybe this is kind of hard to make these rocks. You need to be comfortable with rocks. Anyway, that's it. Alright, how was it? A lot of work, huh? So today's tip is also rocks. I mean, mountain itself is really easy, but you need to be very comfortable with rocks for this whole artwork. So if you don't know or not very comfortable, please check the tutorial for rocks, okay? Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. If you like this video, thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe this channel please. Sometimes I do live streaming, and you can see the newest technique or expression that I only show on live streaming. So if you subscribe this channel, you'll get notifications, you won't miss it, and don't miss it, okay? And also my Twitter and Instagram accounts are below. So follow me and you see my other amazing videos. Okay, thanks again and see you definitely in the next video. Bye. Hey guys, this is Vagabond